This is Artist IQ. I go by the name of Ike Ellis. I wanted to appreciate you for stopping through the YouTube channel. Today, we wanted to talk about oppression and the voice of the people, the responsibilities of an artist. Sometimes we look at ourselves and we don't realize how much power that we have, that we can impact our community just by using certain words. Sometimes we can use certain emotions and it clicks with a group of people that can actually influence how the community is moving. We have a lot of power. Some people tend to disagree with this notion as if you don't have any responsibilities out here. You just kind of just free falling and live how you want to live and make what you want to make and don't think about nothing that's going to impact the community as it stands. I disagree with that. I feel like it's 5 responsibilities that we have, and I wanted to talk about those today. This is Artist IQ. I go by the name of Ike Ellis. I appreciate you stopping through the YouTube channel. Responsibility number 1, we're responsible to the creatives who came before us and are coming after us. So when a person listens to your song, what are they going to get? Are they going to get a person who actually stole from somebody else? Are they going to get a person that don't care anything about the community as it stands? What are you going to provide for the people through your sounds? Responsibility number 2. Responsibility number 2 is to the consumer. This person paid $129 for your song. What are you going to provide for them? You have to be responsible for the consumers as they take in your craft, take in your artwork, take in your sounds, your music. This is your life. This is your life as an artist. This is your life, and you're responsible to give the consumer the best product. What type of motivation can you give that consumer? What type of inspiration can you give a person that's listening to your sounds? This is a responsibility of the artist, ladies and gentlemen. Responsibility number 3, you're responsible for yourself. You're responsible for yourself. How does your creation of art help provide a therapy to your own internal emotions? Sometimes I will be in the studio and I'm writing some things, and these things really hurt my feelings. But after I finished writing, I felt the whoosah, like, oh shit. Straight up. So how are you? You gotta be responsible for yourself. Number 4, you're responsible for your legacy. Every time you record a song, every time you write a song, every time you make a beat, these are pivotal to your legacy. And what are the people going to remember? Are they gonna be like, oh nah, that was some damn bullshit? Yeah. Or I was following the trend and it's played out next year. Nah, this is your legacy. Number 5, you gotta be responsible for your own truth. You are on your path searching for this truth. Nobody else is going to find this for you. You have to search for your own truth, and you have a responsibility to yourself to locate and search as you're on this journey, as you create these songs, as you create this artwork, these masterpieces. You have the responsibility to discover your truth. That's 5 responsibilities of an artist. You have to put your foot forward. And granted now, you're not gonna come out the gate speaking like this. It really doesn't work that way. You go through experiences and you learn these experiences, and once you learn through it, it's like, okay, now I get it. I get how I'm supposed to, convey the messages. And everybody not a leader, but you still have a voice. So basically what I'm saying is the oppression, we still have a voice, and we can utilize our voice. So yeah, I kind of went deep with it today. I don't think I'll probably be going this deep no time more soon. But it was just important that I got that message out, that each artist have a responsibility to the art, to the craft. This is Artist IQ. I think that's all I have for this week. I go by the name of Ike Ellis. I appreciate you coming to the YouTube channel. If you've seen this video somewhere else, you know what I'm saying, give me a shout, give me a holler. You know what I mean? Go to the YouTube channel and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs in a certain time. We're trying to get the content, keep the content coming. I got a cool interview. I did an interview with Ghost Dog from a North Carolina-based lyricist. I mean, we talked about a lot of things on that interview, and I'm eager to put it out. So I thank you for coming to the channel. We're just talking about responsibilities of an artist. Until next time, keep pushing and keep taking on the responsibility to make a masterpiece. This is Ike Ellis. I'm out. Let's go.
It's the interlude, podcast and the YouTube, the genius in the sound underground where it's no rules. This the artist IQ where we level up. The freedom of the soul for a better us. From the heart, so it's all love. Around the world ain't no love, but it's all good. Cold shoulder, the heart warmer. You might catch me out in France, man, it's all normal. This a way of life. This the artist IQ. Mic check 1, 2 with a little bit of EQ. Make it perfect. The entrepreneurs are still needed. Books still read it. The artists are still treated worse than ever. Making it better. We talk freedom every day. Solve the problem together.